Page number 447, ready, start. Would reveal that petitioner therein had bona fide thought himself to be accredited journalist, which plea fell on technical ground. However, dealing with the forfeiture, all that was held in paragraphs 11 and 12 is as under stop para. Learned counsel Shri Ravinder Chopra then submitted in the alternative that the respondent cannot retain the amount which was given by the petitioner along with the allotment application and the deposit of the subsequent installments cannot be forfeited by the department, and this action is totally illegal. Stop paragraph. On the contrary, Mr. Suri submitted that under clause 2 of the terms and conditions of the advertisement, the department had the right to forfeit this amount. Stop. I am not in a position to subscribe the arguments raised by the counsel for the respondent. Stop. The clause is a penalty which is unreasonable. Stop paragraph. I do not find any merit in his contention as well. Stop. The facts of the aforesaid case would reveal that learned single judge was dealing with the clause 2 of the terms and conditions of the advertisement, whereas the case in hand is governed by Regulation 6 of Chandigarh Housing Board (start allotment, management and sale of tenements close) regularization 1979 relevant part whereof reads as under stop para. The applicant shall furnish an affidavit in the prescribed forum with regard to his eligibility along with the application. Stop. In the event of the affidavit being found false at any stage, the board shall be entitled to cancel the registration or the allotment or dwelling unit or flat as the case may be, and to forfeit the deposit received with the application and all the payments made to the board thereafter. Stop paragraph. This precise regularization came up for interpretation by division bench of this court in civil writ petition number 18228 of 1996, Ranjit Singh Anand versus Chandigarh Housing Board, decided on 28 July 2000. Stop. The Honorable Division Bench observed as follows. Stop para. Shri Sanjeev Sharma justified the forfeiture of the amount deposited by the petitioner by arguing that this was done in accordance with the conditions stipulated in the advertisement and the provisions of the Chandigarh Housing Board (start allotment, management and sales of tenements close) regulations 1979 (start foreshowed the 1979 regulations close full stop). He further argued that after having agreed to abide by the conditions stipulated in the advertisement and the application forum, the petitioner cannot plead ignorance about their implications. Stop.